Hello, everyone. Today, we're going on a magical adventure to discover the wonderful world of colors. Are you ready? Let's go. Wow, look at all these colors. I wonder who lives here.
Hello, little explorers. I'm the Color Fairy, and I'll help you learn all about colors. Look. Here come my colorful friends.
Hello. I'm Violet, like this beautiful lavender garden. Can you find something violet around you? Hi. I'm Orange. I am a color and a fruit as well. What other orange things do you know? Hey there. I'm Pink, as beautiful as the roses. Let's all say, hello, Pink. Hello. I'm green, like the leaves and the healthy broccoli. Can you find something green around you? Hey there. I'm yellow, as bright as the sun and bananas. Let's all say, hello, yellow. Hello. I'm blue, like the sky and the ocean. Can you find something blue around you? Hi. I'm red. I'm the color of apples and fire trucks. What red things do you know?
Now, let's have some fun with color mixing magic. When red and blue mix, they make? That's right. Purple. And blue and yellow make?
Green.
Wonderful. Red and yellow make?
Orange.
Excellent, kids.
What a colorful adventure. Thank you, Color Fairy and Color Friends. And thank you for exploring with us.
Remember, colors are everywhere. Just look around and see the magic.